first we gonna choose, I'm gonna ask y'all, we gonna either do the X or Y, you decide. Then we gonna solve, if we pick the X, we gotta solve for X, we solve for that X. Get the value of X and then plug it in this second one. We'll solve for that variable. Then we're gonna take that result, plug it back into the second equation to solve for the last Y. Number one. Alright, you choose which one we solving for first, X or the Y. X or Y, which I want to do first? X? Alright. So if we solve it, check. If we solve it for X, the easiest one to choose is the top equation. You want to solve for this one. So we're going to isolate this over here and solve for it. Right? How would I solve for X there? Somebody remind me. Come on, it's been a week, y'all.
Would you minus it?
Huh? Minus what? Yeah, I got something easy. Minus what? Nope. Alright. Minus the 3y. Make it simple. We solving for X. So watch. Solve for 3y. What's gonna happen to your 3y's in North? They gonna what?
They can cancel out.
Now you'll have X equals what?
Negative 2.
X equals 1 minus 3y.
That's what I said. I knew you can't subtract it.
Because all we did is we're solving for the one variable.
Are you not supposed to?
So you solve for X, right? So that's the value of X at this point. Now we're going to take that value of X and plug it into the second equation. This one clearly going to be one of the tougher questions on your midterm. I am going to be honest. Yeah. Now, your new value for the second equation is negative 3. What am I plugging in now for this X is the new value? 1 minus 3y. Close it up. Minus 3y equals negative 15. Quick refresher, what property do I need to use to solve for this? Yeah. When we do that, that becomes negative 3. This becomes plus 9y minus 3y equals negative 15. At this point, I do what? First, combine like terms becomes negative 3 plus 6y equals negative 15. I'm going to have to move this over here. Now, what do I have to do? Clearly, I'm solving for the variable. Add 3. Those cancel. 6y negative 12. Did I lose you? Hold on, all right. Go ahead. Yep. So we combine right here now, y minus 3y makes 6y. And that's positive 9y. Then we combine like terms. Then we subtract, we added 3 on both sides. That became negative 12. Now I divide 6. Your y value is, so your first answer, yeah, is negative 2. Nah. Our first coordinate is -2. So you can put that, I'll put it here, because we got to come back. We know that our ant, because we solved for y. So our y coordinate is -2. Hold on.
Claro, es
Science.
más menos.
Maddie. So now, what we going to take that -2, and you get a choice. You can take this -2 and plug it into the first or the second. Which one will be easiest? Thank you, Noah. Plug it back into the first. But hold on, though. Yeah, I'm going to need some space. So we're going to take the -2 and plug it back in here. Pardon me, I can go back. I'm going to need some space. So now this is going to become X. X.
Thank you.
Está largo.
Let me know when I can skip. I'm letting y'all get that down. And don't worry, it's being recorded, so you can play it back on YouTube whenever you want for this evening. Well, we see it. Did y'all get that? Can I? Yeah? Who's still getting it? I'm recording, so just you get it. Everybody with me? Can I slide? Yeah? All right. So we take this -2 and we're plugging it back into the top equation. When you plug it back into the top equation, it becomes x plus 3 times -2. Solving that becomes x minus 6 equals 1. Where Nate was right, you'll add 6 on both sides. Your x is now 7, making your answer 7 and -2. That's how we do system of substitution. That was the number 11. You can play it back this evening. That's only the first one.
¿Y la respuesta?
Uy,